Dopamine is slower. It works through what are called G protein coupled receptors. So what happens is dopamine is released in these little vesicles that I've mentioned before, get vomited out into the synapse. Some of that dopamine will bind to the so-called postsynaptic neuron. It'll bind to the next neuron, and then it sets off a cascade. It's kind of like a bucket brigade of one thing getting handed off to the next, to the next, to the next. It's G protein coupled receptors. And anytime you hear about these GPCRs or G protein coupled receptors, pay attention because they're really interesting. They're slow, but they also can have multiple cascades of effects. They can impact even gene expression at some level. They can change what a cell actually becomes. They can change how well or how poorly that cell will respond to the same signal in the future. So dopamine works through this slower process, these G protein coupled receptors. And so its effects tend to take a while in order to occur.